Hey guys, welcome to another SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have PandaDoc, which is a tool I really like. So essentially it's just a tool to sign documents, proposals, quotes, and all these things, and you can create your own templates and stuff like that, right? So this is a tool that has shown exactly why the product is easier to use. So for example, one of their USPs or the way that they want to position themselves is just like the easiest to use tool where you can create your own templates, where you can easily get things signed off and manage things at scale and so on. So that's how they like to position themselves, and they've done a pretty good job at it so far. But being easy to use is something that is very hard to communicate unless you show it visually, because the way you do it is you show something that normally takes a lot of time, and you show it and you simply show how your tool does it really fast, right? So sometimes you can just show it with a GIF like this, as you're doing here at the top, where they just show, hey, just watch me create a proposal, get it signed off, share it with my team, and so on and so forth, right? So they're showing from beginning to end how they select the templates, how they add their own variables, how do they add the pricing table, how they add the signature, get it signed off, done, right? So as you can see, in 10 seconds, you saw exactly how easy it is to use and how you yourself could be sending out proposals in no time, right? So then they showed they've done this with essentially every step that people care about, which is sharing the documents, having templates, maybe seeing some of the reports, maybe it's collaborating with the team, right? So as you can show here is the very drag and drop experience. But the one thing that they could have done is they could have shown what sort of templates they have, and then you can create your own templates. So you don't have to be sending this every single time. You can just create the templates for this as well, right? So you can review things quickly. You can create your own workflow. You can get notifications and figure out if everything has been doing well. So this is the collaboration side of things, where you've shown, hey, that one of your team members has signed it, or has maybe added a comment, or someone has viewed it, or someone has signed it off, and so on and so forth, right? So this is great. So then this is more about integrations, where they're clearly showing very specific use cases, right? So they're linking it to Salesforce, they're adding it as a deal in HubSpot, and so on and so forth. So they're not only showing, hey, integrates with the tools you love, you're showing very concrete use cases. So as soon as a proposal is signed off, it's maybe marked as a deal that they've won, right? And once the proposal has been sent, is maybe changes the stage of the deal, right? So this is great. Then they addressed a few compliance concerns as well. They've shown on every single one of these that you can add variables. So it provides a glimpse that you can add variables and they can do this at scale. But what they could have done a little bit better, even though this page is like still a 9 out of 10 and is very, very visual, very easy to understand, is they could have shown a little bit more about the templates. So the templates they have already. So if you were to sign off, how many things can you just do without having to create anything from scratch, because they already have it. So they have templates for proposals, for quotes, for all these things. But even more importantly, how can you create your own templates? So you can generate a proposal once, you add in your variables, and then everything gets automatically updated as soon as you close a new client, or maybe you sell them on something new, or when you quote someone, or whatever it is, right? Everything gets automated. So if they want to attract bigger and bigger companies, they need to show that you can create your own workflows. They can create your own templates. They can get really complex with this, even though it's a tool that's very easy to use. Then that would really provide the glimpse, people the glimpse that, hey, this not only is an easy to use tool, but is a tool that can get really complex and really advanced if I wanted it to, right? So it's not a tool that is easy to use, but I can easily outgrow it. No, this is a tool that I can use forever, and that lots of other teams are using it to send hundreds of proposals a month, hundreds of quotes a month, right? That's what they want to see, right? So then people can think, or the bigger companies can think, hey, this can handle the scale that I needed to handle, right? So they can convert to those people as well, because otherwise they're just going to convert small businesses. Right? So that's pretty much it for this teardown. Let me know what you think about this page in the comments. Personally, this is one of the best pages I've seen, which is really hard to come by. And if you need help figuring out how you can optimize your own landing pages in order to get the best conversions possible, just feel free to reach out in my DMs, or you can book a call using the link below. So let me know what your thoughts are on this page, and looking forward to jumping on a call with you soon. Cheers.